Stop whatever you're doing and imagine this. A volcano eruption that saved the city from invaders. In 196 BC, the Roman city of Hierapolis, located in present-day Turkey, was under threat from invading forces. As the attackers prepared to take the city, a massive volcanic eruption occurred nearby. The eruption spewed ash and toxic gases, forcing the invaders to retreat in panic. Believing the eruption was a sign of divine intervention, the city was spared, and its people credited the volcano with their miraculous salvation. This unexpected natural event turned the tide and protected the city from conquest. For more incredible stories where nature steps in, follow the Mysterious World channel.